Yes, Ruth, he will definitely grant you peace. And in that peace, prayerfully, you will find the ability to see yourself in a different light. Because in no way was what happened to you your responsibility. Okay? You are worthy, you are valuable, you are precious to the God that you serve, as well as to all of us who love you, who have come to love you, your family members, especially your daughter, and everything. Okay? So, going forward, what I would like for you to do, Ruth, is to continue with the positive affirmations. Whenever you find yourself having repetitive negative thoughts, I want you to write those thoughts down, okay? And then bring them to the session whenever you come, and we'll do the same thing with those negative thoughts as we did with the ones you had today, that you shared with me today. What do you think about that?
I think that's good.
Okay, that's wonderful. And other than that, overall, how are you feeling about learning to think differently, to do things in a more positive manner?
Can you please repeat that?
I said, other than that, how are you feeling about this process? Do you believe it's going to be a helping source to you? And if so, I would love to continue using cognitive behavior therapy to help you change your negative thoughts to those more positive. How do you feel about it?
I feel good about that. I feel as though it can work.
Okay, well then that's what that we'll do. That's what we'll do. Then we'll continue to work using the cognitive behavior model. And at any time that you get stuck or you have feelings that come up that you don't know how to process, feel free to come to me, or in my absence, any of the other counselors. They're all here to help you. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Well, how about next week, the same time, same place? We meet again
Yes, ma'am.
and continue to process your negative thoughts to get them to become more positive. And as usual, Ruth, it was a pleasure working with you today.